Welcome to our video on the history and significance of Holi, the festival of colors. Holi is one of the most vibrant and joyous festivals celebrated in India and other parts of the world. It is a time for people to come together, forget their differences, and celebrate the joy of life. In this video, we'll take a look at the origins of Holi, its traditions and customs, and its importance in Hindu mythology. So, let's get started and learn everything you need to know about Holi. Holi, also known as the Festival of Colors, is one of the most vibrant and joyous festivals celebrated in India and other parts of the world. In this video, we'll take a look at the history and significance of Holi, everything you need to know about this exciting festival. Holi has its roots in Hindu mythology, specifically the story of Lord Krishna. According to legend, Krishna was known for his mischievous behavior and love for pranks. He would playfully throw colored powder and water on his friends and the gopis, or female cowherds, in his village. This playful act is said to have inspired the modern-day Holi celebration. Holi is typically celebrated in late February or early March, during the full moon day of the Hindu month of Falgun. It is a time for people to come together and celebrate the end of winter and the arrival of spring. During the festival, people throw colored powder and water at each other, dance to music, and indulge in traditional food and drinks. On the night before Holi, many people participate in a ritual called Holika. This involves lighting a bonfire to symbolize the victory of good over evil. According to Hindu mythology, the bonfire represents the burning of the demoness Holika, who tried to kill Prahlada, a devotee of Lord Vishnu. Holi is celebrated in different ways in different parts of India. In some regions, it is a time for people to visit their friends and family and exchange sweets and gifts. In others, it is marked by colorful processions and traditional folk dances. Food is an important part of the Holi celebration. People prepare and enjoy traditional dishes like gujia, a sweet dumpling, and tanai, a milk-based drink infused with spices and cannabis. Holi is a time for people to come together, forget their differences, and celebrate the joy of life. It is a time for forgiveness and reconciliation, and a reminder that love and friendship are more important than material possessions. And that's a wrap on our video about the history and significance of Holi. We hope you enjoyed learning about this exciting festival and its cultural significance. Holi is a time for people to come together, spread love and happiness, and celebrate the arrival of spring. So, if you are planning to celebrate Holi, remember to stay safe, respect others, and have fun. And happy Holi! Thanks for watching.